To my future employer, have a good day. I'm Angela Gutierrez and I'm 47 years old. I'm from Batangas City, Philippines. I'm happily married to Fernando Gutierrez and we have 3 kids. My firstborn is girl. She is 22 years old. The second one is boy. He is 18 years old and the younger one is 16 years old. My work experience, I worked here in Philippines for 5 years. I serve 5 people. 2 adults ages 36 years old and 40 years old. Children ages 5 years old, 8 years old, and 10 years old. I also work in Hong Kong for 3.5 years. I serve 4 people. 2 adults ages 36 years old and 38 years old. Children ages 6 months old when I start them. I currently work here in Philippines as a helper. I serve 6 people. 2 adults ages 50 years old and 55 years old. Children ages 22 years old, 16 years old, 10 years old, and 7 years old. For my future employer, please choose me as one of your helper because I'm obedient, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking. I'm looking forward to work on you soon. Thank you and have a good day.